We all are aware AI exists and it's here, but the power behind AI is not what it's feeding you, it's what we're prompting it to feed us. So it's really important that the prompts are powerful, specific, and clear. And the more that we do that, the better it will become an even stronger supplemental tool. Then also, for example, if you're still figuring out what type of job you want, then maybe ask AI clearly that. Say, hey, generate 10 specific job titles I'd be a good fit for based on this criteria, right? So list out your favorite skills, list out your interests. It sounds silly, but some of those personal pieces actually matter in your purpose and how you feel fulfilled in your career, which means you'll stay longer at a company and invest yourself longer. There's a lot of research behind that we'll talk about. Say what industry type you're interested in. So for those of you staying in the industry you love, you're going to insert that information. And then you can even copy paste your existing resume. When you give the prompt, it's going to give you exactly what it's looking for based on what you're providing. So give that a shot if you're not sure or you're curious, or even, better, sometimes roles have different titles or names based on the company's organization. So what you might be looking for, customer success manager, might actually be considered the title of an account manager at a different organization. And you don't want to miss out on an opportunity just because the name of the job is not the same.